Hello, Wanderway followers. I'm here with you right outside Rogers Center, capturing the incredible excitement just before Taylor Swift's The Eras Tour concert here in Toronto. In this video, we'll be sharing some details about Taylor's journey, her latest tour, and Toronto's love for this iconic artist. First off, let me just say that Taylor Swift is truly adored here in Canada. The interest in her concert has been overwhelming, and you can feel the energy everywhere. From the streets to social media, Toronto is buzzing with all things Taylor Swift. Let's dive in and get to know a little more about Taylor and her The Eras Tour. Who is Taylor Swift? Taylor Swift, born and raised in Pennsylvania, began her music career at a young age. Initially, she made her mark in country music with her self-titled debut album in 2006, but her big breakthrough came with Fearless, which quickly shot her to stardom. Over the years, Taylor evolved her sound to include pop, indie, and folk, with landmark albums like Reputation, Lover, and Folklore, each representing a unique era in her career. Today, Taylor has a massive fan base across the globe, including a huge following right here in Canada. The Eras Tour. Currently, Taylor is on the Eras Tour, a unique journey through every phase of her career, bringing her greatest hits from each album to life. This tour isn't just a concert, it's a nostalgic journey for Swifties, where each set honors a different musical era. Toronto is lucky to be a stop on this iconic tour, promising an unforgettable experience for fans. Taylor Swift Way, a street in Toronto dedicated to Taylor. Recently, Toronto unveiled a new street named Taylor Swift Way in honor of the love and admiration for Taylor here. Located in the heart of the city, this street has become a popular photo spot and gathering place for Swifties. It's another symbol of Taylor Swift's impact in Canada, and especially here in Toronto. Huge anticipation for the Toronto concert. The excitement for Taylor Swift's The Eras Tour concert in Toronto is intense. The city has been buzzing in anticipation, and fans have gathered in huge numbers to celebrate this special night. Now here's a glimpse of the incredible crowd and the lively atmosphere surrounding Rogers Center. It's been amazing to share this excitement with all of you as Toronto welcomes Taylor Swift for this memorable stop on the Eras Tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Wanderway and share your thoughts in the comments. Which song are you most excited to hear? Let us know, and stay tuned for more Toronto events and Taylor Swift moments. See you in the next video.